Open up a whole new world of flavors with smoker bags from Cameron's. Whether camping, grilling, or in your home, Cameron smoker bags are a convenient way to add smoke flavor to your food. Easy to prepare with virtually no cleanup, they come ready to smoke straight from the package. The bags are pre-lined with ground wood chips and tree sugars. The patented construction of the aluminum pouch houses the wood chips separate from the food, while perforations in the middle layer allow smoke to fill the pouch. Choose from your choice of alder, hickory, or mesquite smoke flavors. Place a prepared smoker bag on a preheated grill or oven, and when finished, you'll have a perfectly smoked meal every time. Simply cut open the bag to serve and discard in the trash. Enjoy true outdoor smoked flavor and make mealtime easy with the revolutionary smoker bags from Cameron's.